We have received this question from Canada, Huzur. Sirajul Haq Sahab, he has got a Zere Tabligh, he's a Bengali. He was professor sometime, or now it might be he's teaching nowadays, I'm not very sure. So this is his non-Ahmadis question. He says that in some of the literature of Jamaat Ahmadiyya, it is written that Jinn are the big people of society, and the Ins are the normal common people of the society. And this is one portion. Another portion is the Holy Quran says that Jinn are created from fire and men are created from clay or tin. So what are the interpretation of the meaning of two different expression about Jinn?
There is a question which requires a detailed study about Jinn and Nas, and created by fire and created by clay. I have written in detail in my book Revelation. So you better refer this book to him and tell that you can read that chapter particularly, which is about Jinn and clay and etc. And he will be amazed that how the Holy Quran has covered everything. Right?